will take time to restore chaos.
You can imagine it is an unimaginable honor to live here.
During these last few months, I've been trained by Al-Qaeda. I think war is a dangerous place.
You teach a child to read, and he or her will be able to pass a literacy test. Not one doubt in my mind that we will fail. I know the human being and fish can coexist peacefully. You know, I really, I'm not you'll be. I mean, tell people why I say. I mean, I think they're cost effective. What?
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
All free men, wherever they may live, are citizens of Berlin. And therefore, as a free man, I take pride in the words, Ich bin ein Berliner.
I think.
I think we ought to pull onions.
Did I say those words?
Let the eagle soar like she's never soared before, from rocky coast to golden shore. Let the mighty eagle soar, soar with healing in her wings, as the land beneath her sings. Only God, no other kings. Let the mighty eagle soar.